Mix it. Sabi nga na, ano klaseng magkaano to na panay sikain. Fold. When I say fold, ganito ang fold. Don't mix it. Fold it. Means you're like folding. Ganyan. Okay, kulang pa tayo ng banana chips. Ayan pala.
Me too. I don't think this is enough.
Okay, dito ka na. Proceed na. Tama na yan.
We need like some. Can I use this to go?
Mamaya na. Huwag mo tatanggalin. No, don't. Just put it there kasi we need it. Oh. Grease the pan. It means you have to put some oil. Ah.
I think if I accidentally drop some of it over here.
Pag magaling ka na, ikaw na magbibig. Diba? Paikot ha, lahat ng ano. Para hindi didikit. Even the sides, ate. Di ba dapat toppings?
May toppings, may halo.
Ah.